Here's David playing Call of Duty 4. No, don't get mad, David. Okay.
Did you know it's illegal to put somebody on YouTube without their permission?
I have your permission.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
Should I delete it?
Plus, you're using my real name. Someone's gonna like come and rape me or something. It's all gonna be your fault.
No. His real name is John. John, can I have your permission to film?
Just this once.
Alright, there he is. There's John. And he's playing Call of Duty 4. And I had a rough sleep last night. See what the others are doing. Oh. So tired. Where's Brian? Can't see him. There he is. Oh god, you don't need to see that. Later, we're gonna have some videos of me skating. So it's all gonna be good.